All right, Hero Comics here. After seeing someone in my comment section has asked if how to make a tutorial about asked me to make a tutorial about how to put sounds on Mugen. Mugen characters. I'll show you. Okay, you gotta click on the sound part of Fighter Factory. Then it takes you to this menu here. You then also you have to actually put a guy in there. Open recent character, the Game Grumps Wolverine. There you go. Load him up real good. Okay. Then you go to the sound part. All right. Now we're in the sound part, and I don't know if you can hear this stuff, but you click on the play sound to play it to hear that. Okay. There's sounds right there. Ah, crap. Okay. Ah. Very loud sound. Ah, dude. 1 second, please. Keep going. 400 sounds. My God. Yeah. Whatever sound it is, because there's a bunch of sounds. But yeah, whatever sound it is, or you find the sound you're looking for, you play it, so you hear, make sure that's the sound. You want to change it, you have to go here, I believe. What is that? And add more sound. No. You go to the change here. Go to change, and then you can click on a new one. I'm not going to do it for this. It has your wave sound, dot wave sound. So you have to make one, and then you can basically have the fighter factor go to the place where the sounds are, so you can then put that stuff on there. I'm not gonna do that with this one because this one's all good, but that's how you do it. You click on that, you click on the thing, and then you say open, and it'll change it. Okay, that's what it'll do. So that stuff will do. You can change that out. That's how that works. You don't want. I don't really do add sound. I don't really care about much of any of the other ones, really much. But after you finish doing that, you have to save it. Save all. Click on the save all button. That'll save the sounds the way they are, the new way. That's how that works. So that's how you put new sounds on your characters. Right? You gotta find the right sound though. That can be a bit of a guessing game because it's like you gotta get the hitting sounds there. Let's keep looking.
Next time on Game Over, Grumps.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. This was a fun one, though.
This was a fun one.
I enjoyed it both.
Hey, what's up, bub?
Okay. So that's how you do it. You gotta replace the sound.
Bubbed him good.
Yeah. So I replaced those sounds. Going from Wolverine, I replaced some of the sounds on a Wolverine character because I wanted to show off the silly Game Grumps doing Wolverine stuff.
Bubbed him good. Get ready, bub. There's a big old tub full of bub. And you know how I love me some bub tub. Rubber dub dub, thanks for the bub. Scrub tub bub love. Multiple bubs. Scrub the nubs off that bub tub. Bub dad! Gotta beat up this bub.
the getting hit, the owl, all that stuff. You gotta figure out what that sounds like. You gotta basically play the character. Well, you gotta play the character, and you can find out what he sounds like, what he or she sounds like, right? And then once you do that, you'll be like, okay, yeah, when they get hit, they make that noise. You don't want to change that noise, okay? That's what I did. Took recorded the game Grumps doing silly things with like Wolverine, that X-Men game where they play as Wolverine, and then I basically made clips of that stuff in WAV format, and then I replaced them using Fire Factory here. Played the clip, and then when I found the thing, I went to change and clicked on the right stuff to find it. Helpful above. Next time you gave me more grams, I clicked on the right thing. That's what I did. That's how that works. So yeah, that is how you put sounds, or how I put sounds on. Change the sounds in Mugen, on the Mugen characters. So see you guys next time. Check me out on YouTube and DeviantArt. Stop it now. Yeah. That's Medicamp.